Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Monique, and today I'm going to show you how I repurposed or upcycled this canvas art piece behind me. Originally, I got this art piece or this canvas from At Home. There was an At Home going out of business in my area, and I was able to get 2 of these canvases for $15 a piece. So that was pretty good for a canvas this size. And it also had a frame around it. Now, I did not like the actual artwork, so at that time I redid the artwork, and I'll insert a picture to show you what I did. And I used silver leaf, silver spray paint, like a cream color spray paint, and glitter to achieve that look. I never liked it, but I got a lot of compliments on it when people came to my house because the glitter, it did, like, you know, glisten, but I never really liked it, which I never like any of the artwork that I do, but whatever. So now that I am changing my family room in this little area around, I wanted to make artwork that matched this area, but I wasn't about to go out and buy a new piece of art. So again, I repurposed this same canvas. This time I spray painted the frame black, which I'm actually going to respray paint that. Probably not in this video, but yeah, this time I got like a flat black spray paint. It says flat black primer, so is it just primer? I don't know. Just to let you know what I did so far to this to make it look like this. Like I said, I spray painted the frame, which was originally silver. I spray painted that black. Then I took this spackle. I got this spackle from the Dollartree. I think I used 6, again, I have 2 of these canvases. I think I used 6 of these per canvas, and I just used one of these scrapers to apply the spackle on it, and I, you know, used it to make all these different shapes or whatnot. And then I just took some old black paint that I had, and I painted this area. And I actually I did a couple things. I spray painted this, and then I don't know, I was just trying to figure something out. Then I ended up going back over it with just the regular spackle. So yeah, this is how it turned out so far. I don't know, I hope it looks better when I put it up on the wall. But the last step that I want to do is I want to add some gold leaf to bring, like, you know, just another color in there. So that's what I'm going to do. What I want to do is I'm just going to put like a very like a line of gold leaf going right over here. That's it. And just to let you know, a lot of this stuff I got from the Dollar Tree. Like, I got this little scraper from the Dollar Tree. I got this little leveler from the Dollar Tree. And I got this little spray adhesive from the Dollar Tree as well. And then the other stuff, like the spray paint, I probably got that from Home Depot, and I just had leftover paint. And I think I ordered this gold leaf. I think I ordered this off of Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. But you know, you can get this from Michael's, you can get this anywhere. Walmart. Yeah, so that's what we're going to use. And I'm using this leveler kind of as a ruler, and just to make sure that I make a straight line. So.
I still need to respray paint the frame, but for the purposes of this video, I did hang up the artwork and I do like the way it turned out. Let me know down in the comments if this is something that you would do in your home. Until next time, peace out.